Welcome back to James David Custom Homes. In today's installment, we return to our Silverado Canyon project to examine a crucial phase in the construction of this masterfully designed residence. In our previous video, part 2 of our series, Building into a Hillside, we discussed the significance of the mechanically stabilized earth, or MSE walls. When properly installed, these walls create a gravity structure that is not only flexible and stable, but also more than capable of supporting this 6,500 square foot custom home. First, we will focus on the temporary shoring required to stabilize the area prior to commencing the poured-in-place retaining structure for the residence. To prepare the site for shoring and the dirt pad on which the foundation will be poured, an extensive removal of 90 truckloads of dirt was necessary. This 6,500 square foot 3-story property necessitates the drilling of 21 caissons, each measuring 3 feet in diameter and extending 50 feet deep. Maintaining this precise depth is critical for establishing the robust foundation necessary for this large structure. Subsequently, we are fabricating rebar cages using number 10 rebar. These cages are meticulously lowered into the drilled holes with heavy machinery, ensuring precise placement alongside the steel I-beams installed in the center of each caisson. Once the temporary shoring is completed, we will initiate the grading process. This step is essential for creating a level platform at the required height, commonly referred to as blue top. Stay tuned for part 4, where we'll be going over the needed grading of the pad on which the foundation will be laid. For more information, please visit jamesdavidcustomhomes.com or follow us on social media at James David Custom Homes. Let's build excellence together.